Welcome. In this video I will show you how to lock or unlock some specific apps or inputs on your SONY KD-43X TV. First, press the settings button on your remote control, then go to all settings, then navigate to system menu on the sidebar, then select Parental Controls, open Parental Controls. And now if you want to lock some specific application, you have to go to the apps menu, enter your PIN code, press OK, and then switch the toggle to the right, and to lock some specific application just find it on the list and click OK on it, and this app will be locked and will require a PIN code to open it. Now, in case of inputs, go to channels and external inputs, enter your PIN code once again, then navigate to external input lock and find the input that you need for one of the HDMI inputs or AV inputs, and to lock it, just click OK on it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.